Effect of a catalyst on the rates of reactions. A catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by providing an alternate path of lower activation energy. A catalyst increases the rate of a reaction by providing an alternate path of lower activation energy. Now, how we got this equation? I'll explain how we'll get this equation. First, Arrhenius equation is K is equal to A into e power minus Ea by RT. Arrhenius equation. Now, if the reaction is taking place in the absence of catalyst, then K is equal to A into e power minus Ea by RT. Ea is the activation energy of the reaction in the absence of the catalyst. And if the reaction is taking place in the presence of a catalyst, then rate constant, I will consider that as K catalyst, rate constant in presence of the catalyst, is equal to A into e power minus Ea catalyst, activation energy in presence of the catalyst. Consider this as equation 1, this as equation 2, then equation 2 by 1. Then we'll get K catalyst by K is equal to A into e power minus Ea catalyst by RT by A into e power minus Ea by RT. Ea we can cancel here, then K catalyst by K is equal to e power, if we take this on top, minus Ea catalyst by RT into e power Ea by RT. We can take RT as common here, then K catalyst by K is equal to e power Ea minus Ea catalyst by RT. If you apply the logarithm both the sides, we will get the equation log K catalyst by K is equal to Ea minus Ea catalyst by RT. Here, when we consider logarithm, we should consider that as 2.303. That is a one equation. Then, if K catalyst is equal to K, T1 is not equal to T2. T1 is not equal to T2. From equations 1 and 2, K catalyst is K means is equal to K means A into e power minus Ea catalyst by R T1, temperature in presence of the catalyst T1, and A into e power minus Ea by R T2. T2 is the temperature in the absence of the catalyst. If we can cancel A, then we can write that as minus Ea catalyst by RT1 is equal to Ea by RT minus Ea by RT2. Minus we can cancel, R also we can cancel, then we'll get the equation E catalyst by T1 is equal to Ea by T2. These are the two equations. Based on these two equations, this is one equation and this is another equation. Problems also given. So like this, we'll get these two equations.